Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. Today, boys and girls, if you've got the book Skeleton Hiccups, go get it and follow along. Our book today is a 1-3 level AR book, so my AR testers, you can test on this one. Here's Skeleton Hiccups. Author is Margery Cuyler. The illustrator is S.D. Schindler. Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. Had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Took a shower. Hic, hic, hic. Brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. Polished his bones. Hic, hic, hic. Carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. Raked some leaves. Hic, hic, hic. Played with ghosts. Hic, hic, hic. Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Hic, hic, hic. Didn't work. Eat some sugar. Hic, hic, hic. Press your fingers over your eyes. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Drink some water while you're upside down. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Ghost made a face, said boo to Skeleton. Hiccup. Nothing worked. Hiccup, hiccup. The hiccups stayed. Hic. Then Ghost got smart. He's looking in the toy box. What's he gonna get? Hiccup, hic. Found a mirror. Hic, hic. He held it up. Hiccup, hiccup, hic. Skeleton screamed. Hic. The hiccups laughed. Hic, hic, hic. They jumped away. Hooray! Now the hiccups are gone. Have you had a time when you had the hiccups a long time and somebody tried to scare you or you tried to scare somebody else? Tell us about the time that you or someone else has had the hiccups and you've tried to trick each other. Tell us in your comments. I can't wait to hear these stories. Make sure you tell your friends and you hit the like button because we like this skeleton, don't we? All right. And hit the blue button and make sure you've subscribed because you don't want to miss what's coming up. And also make sure you're checking out the short videos for the letters and sounds. It's all the letters and sounds in the shorts. They're just a minute, less than a minute. Have a great day. Subscribe to Cindy's Corner. See you there.